Hi, this is John. We have another layout update for you. First off, we've quite a few weeks ago did add one more track to the yard. We'll be adding two more fairly quickly on that. And the next section we have is we put in the yard lead from the yard. It's the one section of the Y that we put in. The other two areas are all going to be dual gauge track. There's going to be a station here on this section here. The main lines are all going to be just standard gauge track. And then this section of the Y will also be dual gauge. And then there'll be two crossovers here going for the dual gauge. So the standard gauge can get back to the main line. And then over here we kind of have a picture of kind of what we're planning on doing. So here's the Y. Right here will be dual gauge. We'll have a dual gauge siding so there's a runaround for the engine for going back up the hill. And then once it goes into the other room, there'll be another passing siding before it goes up the hill. Then it switches over to just 3-foot gauge. So that's it for today. We'll send another video once we put in the rest of the yard tracks. So talk to you next time.